In order to see how profitable dropshipping is, let's do some math. I promise it won't hurt. Let's imagine we're selling saunas, which is what we teach here. We teach high-ticket products. So if you're looking for some AliExpress math, it's not going to happen. We teach you to sell high-ticket products because if you're selling a $3,000 sauna, you might have 30% margins on that. That leaves you $900 of profit, out of which you need to pay your credit card processor. You need to go acquire the customer. But at the end of the day, you're likely still going to have $500 profit left over. And if you sell just 10 saunas in a month, that's $30,000 in revenue and $5,000 in profit potential. We like high ticket products because there is more profitability there. If you sell a $30 product with 30% margins, you have $9 to go acquire that customer, jump in front of somebody on Facebook or Instagram and say, hey, have you thought about buying this really crappy product that's going to show up a month from now in a heavily taped box and really disappoint you? I've got what you're looking for. Hey, would you like 2 of these? Sell high ticket products, sell brands people are already searching for that you've definitely heard of here in the USA. That's the way you should do this. And yes, it's profitable. And if you're ready to start your own high-ticket dropshipping business, head to dropshipbreakthru.com/go, where you can watch a free training showing you exactly how to build a high-ticket dropshipping business.